Hi everybody, this is Brian from X Bikes, and my wife's battery came today, courtesy of Powerful Lithium. It's 52 volt, 35 amp hour battery that we're going to run parallel with her stock 20 amp hour battery on her X-class. Give her much more range. I mean, that's always been the problem when we go out on a ride, is I got that 42 amp hour, 72 volt battery. I go forever. And I'm always like, baby, how many bars you got? How many bars you got? How many bars you got? And within an hour, because we're riding just throttle mostly, we got to turn around and go home, cut our trip short just when we're starting to have fun. So now she'll probably, well, with her stock motor, I mean, we're going to upgrade that eventually, but right now she's got a 1,000 watt, 2,000 watt peak stock Bafang motor. Good motor, doesn't, and it's, yeah, with 55 amp hours in that motor, she's gonna go, she'll be asking me how many bars I got, right? Or how many volts I got. She's gonna get probably a lot more range than me until she gets her new 2,000 watt, 4,000 watt peak, or 4,000 watt peak motor. So anyhow, yeah, let's see what Powerful Lithium sent us. And should have come with a really nice case like mine too. And let's check it out. All right. Well, they wrapped this sucker good. So I think this is her case on here. I don't want to mess it up. Careful. Yeah. Okay. Yes, it's in the case. Good. So good to see that too. These cases are so expensive, man. You go on Amazon or whatever, they're like 20, 30, 40 bucks. But they're garbage, right? These are about 240, 250 bucks, but they're custom made for the Ariel Rider, or pretty much any other bike that that's nice. Any other bike that you have, and they are nice and, you know, sturdy. It's got PVC in them and stuff. But there's the actual battery right there. If you can see it. Oh, that's as far as that goes, huh? Okay. There she is. Let's see here. Damn. Very nice. Okay. That'd be it. So we're going to get this installed and up and running here in the next couple days. Here, everybody. Well, I got the battery mounted, and now I'm going to check the voltage. Before I do, though, I'm going to explain something to you. So I'm not running a battery blender. Okay. So over at Powerful Lithium, when they build your battery, and when they build it for a particular bike, the BMS is set up for that bike to run parallel with this battery, which is awesome. So they sent me, if you look right here, this is coming out of the battery right here. This is a harness with two connectors. So here's, hold on, let me get my glasses on. Here is my wife's connectors. And then I got a connector here, or here and here. There we go. Okay, now that's from my new battery, or her new battery. And that will go, obviously, one will go here and one will go here. Okay, and that's all you got to do, right? I even asked him, hey, should I get a blender? He goes, you don't need a blender. That's going to be a waste of money. Our batteries are made for, when we make this battery for the Ariel Rider 52 volt X-class, it is set up for that. You don't need it. You'll be wasting your money. I go, are you sure? I mean, I want to be safe. He goes, don't worry about it. You do not need it. Okay, well, that's cool. So now we're going to check the voltage on these things, because we have to be less than a volt apart before we can even connect it. So we're going to check my wife's battery right now. And she's sitting at 54.3 volts. And whoops. Let's see, we'll just go right here. This is for charging. And we are set on the new battery at 49. Damn, I really wish it was the other way around, because now I got to bring her battery down to this battery, which means I got to ride it or something for a while. Darn. Okay, well, anyways, that's what I got to do. So I got to drain her battery about 5 volts. And then we can hook all this wiring up, and I'll go ahead and show you the finished product after that. Another thing I like too is I thought I was going to have to charge each battery separate. He doesn't even send a charger. He goes, you don't need it. It's set up to, you just charge either battery. So we already have a charger for the X-class. He goes, you just charge your battery like normal, and it's going to charge both batteries. So yeah, this is super simple, headache free. So anyhow, I'm going to go plug her battery in and go ride it for a little while with the voltmeter and get it down to the other battery, and then we will finish this up. All right, well, I just took it for about a half-hour ride to try to drop it about 5 volts. It was freezing as shit out there because it's early in the morning. I guess I should have wore a coat or something. But anyhow, let's check it out. So, I need to get down to about 49. Anywhere in 49 should be good. 49, wow. 49.74. Damn, that might be perfect. And here's the new battery. 49.78. Damn, it don't get no better than that, huh? Wow. I can't believe, hold on. That's right on the money. Yeah, like that's about as close as you can possibly get it. Okay, so I'm going to connect all this crap, button it up. I got to put the plate back on, push all the wires back in there, put the plate back on, and this puppy is done. So yeah, let me do that. Well, there she is, all done. So we got 35 amp hour battery parallel to the 20 amp hour stock battery. A few little zip ties hold everything down nice and tight. Man, this thing looks freaking nice, man. With the battery in here, this thing looks beefier, almost like a motorcycle now. It's really cool. I know my wife's very happy. Are you happy, honey? I just want to thank V over at Powerful Lithium again for this awesome battery and bag. Now all we got to do is charge it up, and I'm going to probably charge it for a good 12 hours to equalize these batteries. And so probably not going to ride it till tomorrow, because it'll be around 9 o'clock tonight. But yeah, looks great. So I am getting a new 200 amp controller sent by V over at Powerful Lithium to go with my custom motor. So look for that video coming up here in a week or two. The controller and motor install video and first ride. All we have to do with my wife's bike now is, and this is, it's gonna be a couple months because we're gonna wait till winter, get the last good month of riding in before we have to do all this stuff to my wife's bike. But we're gonna get a new controller, probably 80 amp controller and a 2000 watt motor. I haven't decided 2000 or 3000 watt motor, but the only thing that really sucks about that is she's going to lose her red rims, right? Yeah, and I'm not going to respoke them and all that stuff. So she's going to have black rims front and back, which she's not too happy about, but she wants more power, so she's going to have to do what we got to do and settle for some black rims. I think it'll still look good, just not as good. But yeah, it's done. So look forward to my video on my bike, which should be coming up. And I'll see y'all later.